Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to make your video brighter on a CapCut by iPhone. So here I already have my video on my project, but then the video seems a little bit dark and I want to make it brighter. So first thing we're gonna do is just make this clip in active mode first, and then now we will be generated into several features down here. Okay, and now just click scroll into the left side until we found a adjust here, and then just click adjust, right? And then we just need to do some editing on it. You can do the brightest, go into the brightest sections, and then we can make it brighter by put more light on it. Okay, so now our videos is already have like more light compared to previous one, so it seems brighter compared to before. And if we want to make it more contrast, just click into the contrast options and make it like more contrast. And then after you're done with your editing, just click done over here, and now your video already brighter compared to previous one. So that's all for today's tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe into this channel.